So, when do you want to launch this thing? What kind of timeline are we looking at? Is it a rush job, or are we making it look like Christmas in August? Now that we have a sense of the complexity of the project and a list of deliverables, we need to know your deadline. The time frame we have will map out action steps to manage the project and track progress. It is important to be reasonable about the deadline based on the complexity of work. You don't want to set an unreasonable deadline. In fact, you will want to build in some cushion time for ease of mind even when things don't go as planned. In creating a deadline, we will become accountability partners. Throughout the project, we will be in communication, checking off action steps, reviewing the project's health, and motivating one another to stay on schedule. Sometimes things happen that are beyond everyone's control that affect your deadline. For example, I can think of one global health crisis that put a wrench in pretty much everyone's plans. When delays happen, we need to communicate the issue and offer up solutions to make up for lost time. Coming to the table with a plan to move forward is a good faith effort. It shows everyone you care about the success of the project. But when everything goes to plan, it's a team victory. In the next video, we will talk about one of the most important roles in any creative project, the key decision maker.